Hey everyone, here's my recipe for creamy, cheesy bacon mac and cheese. It is so good. You'll need 1 stick of butter, 1 pack of bacon, about 1 pound of pasta, 2 cups of half and half, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, about 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 4 cups of shredded cheese. I use sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. For seasonings, you'll need 3 tablespoons of onion and garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Chop and cook your bacon. Once your bacon's done, set it aside. Drain about half of the oil. On medium heat, melt your butter. Add your flour and whisk till the flour is cooked. Add your cream cheese and your heavy cream. Continue to whisk. Add the broth and whisk till smooth. Mix in all the dry seasonings. After a few minutes, the sauce should be thick. On low heat, add in 2 cups of shredded cheese and mix till melted. Cook and drain your pasta. Add the pasta to the cheese sauce and mix well. In a baking pan, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and some of the shredded cheese to the bottom of the pan. Add a layer of the pasta and cheese. Add some of the bacon and repeat the process. Add the remaining pasta and cheese. Add the rest of the bacon and top it off with more cheese. Bake this at 350 uncovered for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the heat up to 400 and bake for another 25 minutes. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes before serving. From the smoky, crispy bacon to the creamy, soft filling, each cheesy bite is what makes this mac and cheese the perfect dish. Thanks for watching.